Merry Christmas Eve Eve! It is Wednesday, December 23rd, and I just now picked up the camera at 12:38 because I decided to, I don't know, not pick it up. I'm working on heating up some more of the wraps like I made yesterday and for lunch. And I've made a headband for my great niece for her Christmas present. And I am working on, sorry, I'll show you my sock later, but yeah, I'm just chilling today. I'm not doing anything. I'm vegging out on Amazon Prime videos. Yes, I love them. They're great. I love British shows, so I'm a very, very British library of TV shows that I like. I don't know, American shows, I'm getting sick of them, so yeah. But I will see you later. I'm trying to decide what and when I'm going to be cooking everything, because I really don't have to cook that much. We're only doing a small lunch with my niece and her husband and my great nephew and my mom. That's all we're doing. Yeah, my husband went today and got his second COVID retest for work, and it was negative, so yay. He's happy he gets to go back to work next week, and I'm happy he gets to go back to work next week because he's been home for 3 weeks. Yes, I know. Go figure. But, so, yeah, I'm trying to figure out exactly what all I'm baking, and I know my daughter wants a cheesecake. I do a an eggless, gluten-free cheesecake. Yes, it's really good. It's really good. I'll have to pop that recipe up somehow. It's one I created years ago when I had a coworker who couldn't eat eggs, and I would normally use a normal graham cracker crust, but I did the cheesecake, and it was always Anastasia's favorite. And when we found out she was celiac, I just recreated it so she could have it. It uses an almond flour and coconut flour for the crust. Oh, it's so good. Yeah. See you later. This is what the wrap is. It you just toast it basically, and when you toast it, the cheese starts coming out. So, well, actually wrapped it pretty decent today. This is so good. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside. It gets all gooey and cheesy and yummy, and you can really fill this with anything to make these. I put sliced cheese on the outside so it keeps the moisture from hitting the wrap. And so yeah, this is just Colby Jack cheese, spinach, ricotta, and grilled chicken. And I think I covered the tortilla with the ricotta this time. The grilled chicken was seasoned with salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder, and then the spinach was cooked, just steamed, or just sauteed enough just to wilt it, and it makes a yummy, yummy dinner or snack. I love her blonde mane. It's so pretty. Yeah. Another beautiful day. Another day to walk. I just had to. It's just too pretty not to walk outside today and enjoy the last fairly decently warm day. I mean, it's not really warm. I mean, it's like 58, but when you know that it's going to be in the 30s on Friday, you take advantage of it. And it's supposed to rain tomorrow. Yay! If not, my driveway becomes absolutely mud when it rains. So, yeah. I'm going to have a walk, and I will see you later. Toe, foot, heel, and leg started. I am super excited about this pair of socks. I'll show you more later. Oh, yeah. My first and only stitches. One sock is finished. I decided to add a contrasting cuff. So yeah, one sock is finished. This is the headband I did for my little niece. Yeah, it was fun. And then I created a couple of pages spreads in my bullet journal for next week, the next week, and then I did my bookshelf to read. What I'm going to do is I'm going to write down the books that I already have with a goal to read as many of them as I can. And so, yeah, I probably have this many books around my house because there are books everywhere. So yeah, this is my bookshelf to read. And what I'll do is I'm going to put all the books that I have. If I've read them, I'll go ahead and color them. If I haven't, they'll be left blank until I do. So I also covered up my original cover page, and I'm going to redo this because I just didn't like it. So there's that, my goals. I added some craft paper to my future log. I'm sort of filling that in. This is my Bible reading for old and new. I added a quote page. I have my social media tracker for YouTube and Instagram with a YouTube ideas page, product ideas page, a design ideas page. This is my January month at a glance. I did it up here so I can actually put like little like birthdays or things I want to remember, notes, and then it starts. Yeah, so I'm excited about this one. I love bullet journals. Last year I decided to go different, or this year I decided to go different and get an Erin Condren, and COVID hit. So yeah, I used it for like 2 months and then didn't have anything to really plan in it. And I said with a bullet journal I can use it a little bit different and make it where it's very user friendly, and I know I'll get use out of it no matter what. So I'm back to a bullet journal this year.